How's it going? This is Anthony Virgo. Welcome back to Let's Automate This. Today I'm going to show you how to connect your voice AI agent to Slack. I know a lot of companies, a lot of businesses, a lot of entrepreneurs use Slack as an internal messenger or just to communicate. I know I use it to communicate when I'm working with a team. With that, I'm going to show you guys how to integrate it so that the agent is going to be able to do a few things. The agent is going to transcribe the call and put it in a Google Sheet. It's going to set an appointment on your Google Calendar, and then it's going to send a Slack message. So I'm going to show you how to do all that using make.com and Vappy. The first thing you want to do is just make sure everything is set up with your agent. I've already done all this. If you guys are interested in seeing the tutorials or how I set that up, I've already did a tutorial on setting that up, but I've created this agent. It is a healthcare coordinator agent, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to give it a phone call, and then I'm just going to make sure that the agent is able to route everything into make.com. Let's go into the make scenario. So this is the scenario that I'm using for make, and it looks a little bit interesting, but it's not much to it at all. The webhook is going to connect everything to make.com, which is this platform right here. Then it's going to route to the Google Sheet, right? So let's just open that up. We see the webhook is there. All the information that I need to have is set up. Then we're going to go over to the Google Sheet. It's connected to my drive, Vappy call appointments, right? And then what's gonna happen now, it's gonna go to OpenAI ChatGPT. I have it routed to ChatGPT because it's gonna give us a summary of what's going on or what happened on the call. Once ChatGPT has all of that information, it's gonna get routed. So if no appointment was booked, I'm still gonna get an email summary. Let's just open this up. It's gonna go to my email. Once it gets that email, it's then gonna send a Slack message. First thing you wanna do is connect your Slack, and then you're just gonna map it everywhere. So once you connect your Slack, you're able to select from list or create from manually. You can do a direct message, a private channel, public channel, whatever you want to do it, where in the Slack you want the message to come. For this tutorial, it's going to be a direct message, and it's going to go to myself, Anthony. Don't want to show the other users because there's other people that I work with in this channel. And then the text is going to be the summary of pretty much what's going on. This isn't going to be perfect for the first tutorial. I'm just showing you how to do this. You create a new mod here. You go to Slack, and you do send a message, public channel, DM, do all that stuff. But we're just gonna delete this because I already put it in everywhere. So let's zoom back out so you guys can see the full screen. So we're gonna save the scenario so that everything is saved. You always want to save the scenario. If you don't save the scenario, then you're gonna pretty much you could exit out of it, and then you don't even have the information no more. So boom, let's go back to the agent. I just want to make sure what phone number I have for the agent. Okay, so I have the 347 number connected to the agent. We're going to go ahead and call the agent. I'm going to set an appointment, and then we're going to go back to make.com. And then we're going to be able to see all of this play out. Integrating your voice AI to your email, your Google Sheets, and your Slack. So let's go ahead and go back to make.com so you guys can see it in action. I'm going to call the agent, put it on speaker.
Thank you for calling Mega Health. This is Kathy, your AI care coordinator. How can I help you?
Hey, how's it going, Kathy? I want to set up an appointment with my primary care doctor, Dr. Patel, and I'll need to update my insurance. I have Cigna. I used to have Emblem Health, but I just want to update my insurance and then set up an annual screening with him.
I'm doing well. Thanks for asking. I can help with both. Updating your insurance to Cigna and getting your annual screening scheduled with Dr. Patel. For the appointment, do you prefer an in-person annual physical or telehealth, and what date times generally work best for you?
I would like it to be in person.
Perfect. In person works. I have availability with Dr. Patel for your annual screening on Tuesday at 9:30 a.m. or Thursday at 2 p.m. Which one works better for you?
Can we do Thursday at 2 p.m.?
Absolutely. Thursday at 2 p.m. is all set with Dr. Patel for your in-person annual screening. Before we wrap up, I just need to confirm a few details to complete everything. First, can you please tell me your full name and spell your last name for accuracy?
Yes, my name is Anthony Virgo, and my last name is spelled like the zodiac, so Virgo.
Great. Thanks, Anthony Virgo. To summarize, I've taken care of everything for you today. Your in-person annual screening with Dr. Patel is scheduled for Thursday at 2 p.m. Your insurance has been updated to Cigna. I have your name, phone number, email, and date of birth on file. If you need to bring anything with you, just make sure to bring your Cigna insurance card and a photo ID. Thank you for calling Mega Health Clinic. If you need anything else at all, don't hesitate to call back. Take care and stay healthy.
So Make.com is now getting the information on the back end. Just gonna see the information go live into Make.com. Boom. So as you guys just saw, let's zoom in. The information just came from Vappy. It went to the Google Sheet. It went to ChatGPT. I should have an appointment on my Google Calendar. I should have the email, and I should have a Slack. Let's back up. Let's just make sure all of that is in play. So let's go to the Google Sheet. Boom. You see the information in the Google Sheet here. My name, appointment, yes, transcribe of the call is all there. Perfect. Right? Let's go to my Gmail. As you can see, new provider appointment is set on my Gmail. That's perfect. It's not the date that I set, but I just gotta map it. But as you can see, there's a new provider appointment on my Gmail account. Let's go to my email now. Receive the email. Boom. I got an email. Now let's pull up Slack. So I should have received a Slack message. Let's go into Slack. Let's go to DMs. Boom, and you see the DM is there. Anthony Virgo called Mega Health to schedule in-person visit with Dr. Patel. Right? Update the insurance, Cigna, AI coordinator, all set in stone. You guys see that? Perfectly outlined. Perfectly outlined there. Let's zoom in a little bit so you guys can see that. Perfectly outlined, right? Perfect. So what I got to do is just edit my ChatGPT just so it words it a little bit better. What I'm gonna do is just start routing everything from the webhook itself. But I'm Anthony Virgo. Let's automate this. This is how you connect your voice AI agent to your Google Sheets, your Gmail, and your Slack.